have a marker with you? It's okay if you don't have one, but it will make it look better with marker. And then let's check first if all of the colors on the color wheel are, okay, you already have one, are available with your Faber-Castell ones. And then you just first organize it together before we do it. And then like what I did here, let's see if it's complete. And then for the colors that are not available, we will just mix the colors na lang. It will also help you practice the blending techniques. We don't have the And then another note, take note that our pencils are sharpened. So if you already have it beside you, you're left-handed or right-handed? Okay, you're right. So before we start, let's use our marker in drawing the shapes. And then let's write the name of the colors as well so that we will be more familiar with it. I'm just gonna use a ruler. But if you don't have one, do you have a ruler with you? If you don't want, you don't have any, maybe I'll try to do it without na lang. So, identify the center of your circle. And then we will already draw the shapes of it. The first one. So, slowly lang para ma-practice mo din yung pag-draw ng shapes. It's okay to make mistakes. Kasi may guide naman na tayo.